in the fantasy realm, where the land is overrun with fire-breathing turtles, sorcerers, demons, and other evildoers who are driven to strike fear into the hearts of the innocent. Two friends come together to form an elite squad who venture forward and are dedicated to putting an end to their shit. These are their stories.
Come on! Where? As if you really had to ask where it was. Shit. Shit. Shit! What the fuck are you doing? My God. Okay. Whoa! Gee, I wonder if I'm going to beat it before 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Oh, well, what do you mean, no fucking duh? I mean, you know, here I am thinking, you know, getting the fucking shot for Kyrie, the first one, was just disgusting. There was no reason for it to be that fucking bad. And then, if that ain't bad enough, the fucking second one you got not only Sai to deal with, but that goddamn Kusabi as well. And guess what, folks? You can't hurt that bastard. Believe me, I've tried. So all of a sudden, you know, okay, he fucking grabs you, you're fucking dead. That's it. All that, nothing like that has changed. If he hits you, you're fucking dead. It sucks ass. And on top of that, you get like 3 fucking joints to heal yourself with. And every time that sick, sadistic, laughing bitch decides to go ahead and grab you and try choking the life out of you, if it happens more than twice, you're gonna fucking die. And having to do all that shit in less than, I don't know, what the fuck was it, like 5, 6 minutes was horse shit. But I finally fucking did. But this, oh, you need to escape the fucking manor without being spotted. Oh, guess what? You had a very horrible time doing that last time? Well, there you go. Try improving on your failure before. It's like, there's no reason for it to be this fucking stupid. No reason whatsoever but fucking ever. I can't even do it. I admit it. Nope. This ain't happening. There's no way in hell I'm getting that S. Or that festival. It sucks. But you know what? What can I do about it? Yeah, I'm glad I got this shit out of the way. Still, it don't fucking matter. It's beside the point. God damn. Come on out, you big sack of shit. Come on. suck my cock. Again, I hope I can do it in less than 5 minutes, 28 seconds. What do you mean, no, I can't? The hell you say? Wow. I suck. You know what? I don't give a shit. I don't. I have one left. Gotta have, it has something to do with a fucking tattooed priestess. So, everybody, I'm gonna take a quick break. I must take care of some business really quick, but I'll be right back. Bye. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Zelda Bob Squad. We have one mission left. And it's her. You have got to be fucking kidding me! Oh my god! How? How? Okay, as long as it's one-on-one. One down. One down. Four to go. Damn it. I don't care. I'll get it back. Two down, three to go. Three down, or two down, three to go. Man, I'm fucking... I don't even think I'm... Seriously, I don't even think I'm gonna try. Nope. What point is there? Fucker. Good night. Seriously. Oh, good. Where? Jesus! Three down, two to go. How much time? Oh, 6 minutes and 49 seconds, because that's feasible and very, very positive. Or possible. Possible. See, I'm so fucking pissed off, I can't even talk right. No, I mean, maybe I'll try one or two of them with it, but I doubt it. Well, I think I can have this beat in 41 seconds. Oh, excuse me, 49. I think I can do it. Here we go! Not. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Ugh. Man, I thought, the last missions on 1 and 2 were fucking bull. I mean, the first one wasn't that bad. It was getting the fucking points that sucked ass. Because it was fucking difficult for no reason. I don't give a shit if that was me bitching out. There you go, man. All or nothing. This is it, people. This is it. Do I survive? Or do I die? And if I die... Well, actually, no, we'll start that differently. This is it. This is the last fucking one. Now, here are the outcomes. A, I beat her. I kill her. I end her. I win. And celebrate. And lose my mind. Or do I die? And if that happens, what do I hit? Because I'm not going to want to do this shit again. So if I fail this far into it, I better find something that A, won't break a bone in my hand, and B, is mildly easy to break. So, we'll see. We'll fucking see. So here we go. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa! Holy shit! Damn it. No. Come on. I need this. I need this in the worst fucking way. Please, don't take it away from me. I'm begging you. Okay. We're fine. We're good. There. Okay. What the fuck happened there? Shit. Oh my god. I can't. Man, I'm fucking paranoid as shit right now. Oh my god, get the fuck away from me! Go! Oh no! Oh no, 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 the wall. No, no, no! Okay, here we go. Make it count. I will. Or not. Come on. No! 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 Get away from me! No, please don't do it! Oh, thank God. Holy shit. Please. No! Come on! Ha! Bite me! Eat my ass! Fuck you! Ah! I did it, everybody. I fucking did it. I did it. I did it. For the first time ever, I've beaten that. Beaten it. Cool. That's what was in this fucking data. Like, what? Like, that was. Wow. Dude, for you, man. Fucking did it. Okay, what the fuck does it do? Oh. Alright. Yeah, I do. The fuck do you think? Let's see. Let's see. Okay. I did it, everybody. I'm so. Relax. So I already did this. Here to upgrade her camera. Go from there. Whoops. There. Oops. There we go. Alright. That's that. So, I want to test it. But, I don't know. Man, I can't even... I just want to see what it does. That's all. I don't think that's too much to fucking ask for, considering how much bullshit you guys are fucking giving me. So what in fuck's name does it do? Okay, you know what, everybody? That was it. That was it. I'm actually gonna look it up, like what the fuck this thing does and why the hell I had to go through so much bullshit to get my fucking hands on it. So I did what I wanted to do. There's a good chance I'm done. Like there is a very, very, very significant chance that I am fucking done with this shit. Nope. Not fucking possible. Not fucking possible in the least bit. Nope. Can't do it. Won't do it. So, everybody, you know, in all honesty, I'm not going to record Nightmare Mode. Nope. Not doing that. And why? Because I'm ready to be fucking done with this shit. I don't want this anymore. But I'm done. I've been fucking going to war with this thing for so fucking long. I'm done. I don't want this anymore. I'm done. So yeah, I may not have been able to get an S in every fucking mission, but you know what? I don't really give a fuck anymore. I don't know. I'll watch the videos on YouTube, and if they can show me anything, then fuck it, I'll just do it. But for the meantime, I am done. I'm tapping out. I'm done. I quit. I've lost, and I've failed. So, everybody, if you would please like, share, and subscribe to at least make me feel like this is worth it, because I'm so flabbergasted right now. So yeah, that would be amazing. So everybody, I'll be back with one or two things. Either A, if I'm able to beat and get an S on everything, I'll record that. And if I can get that, then I will record Nightmare Mode, because we're redoing that with a fucking, you know, brain farting right now. Oh yeah, the ultimate, you know, like whammy, like fuck you whammy, since anytime you fucking look at something, it's a fatal frame shot. Alright. So until then, everybody, you all stay classy, and ta-ta for now.